In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use enchanted books in Minecraft Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to apply enchantments from a book into any item that you have. So for this video, I'm going to be using a sword as an example, but you can apply the same exact logic for a pickaxe, axe, shovel, and basically any tool. So what you will need is an anvil. You can make one using 4 iron ingots and 3 iron blocks. Now, once you have the anvil, interact with it, and now in here you can place an item on the left slot, an item on the right slot, and then combine them together. So in here, place the item that you want to apply the enchantment from the book into on the left, and then grab the specific enchanted book. Now place it on the right, and you will see here enchantment cost. Now you will notice that I am doing this on creative, so I have infinite levels, but if you were doing this in survival, you would need to have XP. Keep that in mind. Now, if you tap on the item here, you will be able to grab it with the enchantment. So I've applied the enchanted book with looting 3 into the sword. I can do the exact same thing with other enchantments, so fire aspect, and I can even rename the sword. So I can change this to anything I wish, for example, cool sword, and the new name will be displayed here. And you can also combine books together. So if I grab a book with knockback and a book with sharpness, I'll be able to combine them together into a single book with sharpness and knockback. And once again, I can grab the book and the sword and combine them together. Now, if you try to combine a book and you see that it doesn't allow you to, this is mostly because you have a specific enchantment on that item that cannot be used with one of the enchantments on the book. So in this example, the book has Bane of Arthropods, but the sword has sharpness, and Bane of Arthropods and sharpness cannot be used together. So if it doesn't work, it is most likely because this problem is occurring. Or sometimes the enchantment that you are trying to apply cannot be used with that specific tool. So for example, if you have Silk Touch, you can only use it with tools that break blocks and not a sword. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make high quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.